Okay. So this is Virendra Mohan from Prasad International School, Jodhpur, as an English teacher. So students, I have called you today for your ASL. Yes. Do you know ASL?
Yes.
Assessment of Speaking and Listening. So just to introduce yourself.
My name is Abdul Shukla. I am from class 11th in Prasad International School from science background and math as my core subject. My father name is Mr. Dharunjay Shukla and my mother name is Mrs. Jigal Shukla. By profession, my father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. And sir, my hobbies are to play cricket and to sing songs. And sir, in future I want to become an IAS officer and to overcome with the problem which people are accepting from a good IAS officer.
Okay, very good. Now, just to explain yourself, introduce yourself.
This is Princhy Vishwakarma and I am the student of class 11A Mathematics in the Prasad International School, and my father's name is Mr. Suresh Vishwakarma and he is businessman in Mumbai, and my mother name is Mrs. Babita Vishwakarma and she is a housewife, and I have two brothers who is smaller than me and study in the same school as I am, and my hobby is to know about the historical and to study the historical books, and I want to become the engineer to make some critical and unique thought and invention in future.
Okay, very good. So you are Princey Vishwakarma and you Abhinav Shukla. Abhinav, do you know your topic?
Yes, sir.
Hinduism.
Yes.
And Princey, your topic is our country, India. So Abhinav, you are candidate A and Princey, you are candidate B. First, candidate A will explain about his topic. After that, you need to listen it carefully. After that, you ask any question to candidate A, and candidate B will speak or tell about her topic, and you will ask any question to candidate B. After all, I will ask you some question. Are you agree? Okay. First, candidate A, Abhinav, just to explain your topic Hinduism.
Yes, sir. So my topic is today Hinduism, so I will elaborate it so well. And sir, I will begin with the history of the Hinduism. As we found, sir, the word Hinduism, sir, it has been begun. If we will go back in time, sir, before 5,000 years ago, and sir, as we see in the history, we found that the Hindus came popular, sir, from Indus Valley civilization, and in many philosophers books we found that people living beside Indus Valley, Indus River, are considered as a Hindu. And sir, here I will not just dishonor or disrespect anyone's religion, but I will show the significance of the Hindu religion in this world. Sir, we will found that when we begin with the history of the Hindus, sir, from before we come across with the time, sir, that Hindus are not just living in the India, but they are also living in some Asian countries, and sir, an island in Bali which is totally covered with the Hindus, sir, it is mainly we are finding that, sir, the culture and the practices which are there is from the Hindu category, and sir, there are some symbols which we see of the Hindus and the way of their representation towards the God. When we meet each other, we join our palm and greet them with the specific word Namaste, which means my respects to you, sir. And the sacred symbol for the Hindus is the Om. And sir, this Om sound which we means while speaking comes out from our mouth is also considered as the sound of the universe or the sound of the creation. And sir, there are many. We have some caste system and other system too, sir. But in a sense, if we come with that, then sir, that is the categories of work which is divided by the history, and that is done before we are present, and that means sir, done by the forefathers. And sir, when we come up with the means at a very extreme level of the Hinduism, so we found that sadhus are there who give up their home, their good luxury life, and sir, they just be the monk and live separately from the society. And sir, we see that the Brahmin word in Hindu is having a great power in it, and sir, they consider Brahmin as a god also. And sir, we also use tilak on our head, sir, which is a red powder, and it is considered as a god blessing. And sir, I was saying, sir, Hinduism is not just a religion; it is the eternal spirituality which comes from the inside. And sir, it teaches us to Hindus that the eternal soul which is present in us is undestroyable, and the only thing is that we change the body change and not the eternal soul we refer to which. And sir, this process of changing of the body from one to other means transferring of the soul from one body to another is referred as reincarnation. And so
Okay.
that's all about my topic.
Very good. You have given your idea to this topic, Hinduism. So, candidate B, would you like to ask any question to candidate A?
Yes.
Just to ask any question?
Hinduism means Hindu means in India there is so many people are there who is Hindu, but Indian Muslims are also who show that great respect towards the country. But did you believe that it is true or not? And give some example of it.
I will just say to give respect towards the nation, sir, as that is just a duty of each and every person. Government and constitution give us some rights, then we have some duty towards our motherland. And sir, we should respect our motherland is duty of everyone. And here, sir, Hinduism is my topic, and sir, people respecting the other's caste is their duty. Others' religion is duty. We should not disrespect or dishonor anyone's means sir, religion and sir, their way of practicing their culture and things.
Okay, very good. Any other question would you like to ask?
Why there is a discrimination among the peoples who are Hindu and other caste?
The discrimination that there, sir, that is basis of the mentality. People just want to, sir, enforce other people to practice their religion, but that is not the matter. Means if you will practice yours, then someone unsatisfied with that, they want that you should also join us. If I am enforcing you to join Islam, Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism or anything, sir, then that's not good, sir. This is the mentality of coming over another's religion, which lead other to discriminate other one, and this is the main reason behind the discrimination of the religion among the people.
Okay, very good. You have given a satisfactory answer. Now, I would like to ask candidate B, Prince Vishwakarma. Your topic is our country India. Can you explain our country India?
Today I choose the topic India, our country India, because I'm Indian. Due to this, I do not choose this topic because in all over the other country also it is very popular. In other country, whenever you will go, you will mention that I am from India. There is great respect and other famous image in their minds. So we can say that India is being more popular than the other country and being famous in all the aspect and in the development, in education and whatever it is in health facilities. And I will tell that India is situated in the continent of Asia and it follows all the season of the monsoon. It is in all the country there is other monsoon and they enjoy all the seasoning. And I will choose the 4 topics in this, that religion, culture, education and the languages. And there is 4 aspects in this. All the countries living together with the one, that in religion there is many religions like Hindu, Muslim, Christian and Sikh. And in this they belong to different culture, society, but in the time of their own means in their festival, in any occasion, they come together and celebrate their own things. And in the second, I will choose that education, and from the ancient history, it is there that the 3 main gurukuls like which Nalanda universities and Bihar and many famous means gurukuls are there. In this, they promote the Hinduism, means Buddhist, and in culture, I will choose that in the gurukuls, it is not only about that we will talk about the native languages. Only there is also physical education and which is higher than any other aspect in the other countries also.
Okay, very good.
And we will choose that in China. We can see that in China many are following a Buddhist because of only our country, that comes from our country, that is also there that yoga and exercise which is very famous for the health and physical health and also the to being a healthy person to stay longer. And in there also in China we can see that many people are exercising yoga, which is mainly originated from the India only. And we can there is a fact that Meghalaya is being won the Guinness World Record that being the wettest land, this wettest state in all over the world. And there is many schools who got Guinness who win the Guinness World Record in their that there is more students studying in the same school, like in more than 22,000. Like it is so that our country is being more famous than the other countries, and in the development also there is many schemes and schemes that the government launched to promote the development of the country, and at the last languages. And there in India more than 22 languages we use. We cannot say that Hindi is the national language of our country. It is only the official. Everyone should know Hindi, but there is more than 22 languages in our country, and all the states have their own state languages, custom, culture. They promote their own. There is no any foundation about anything.
Okay, very good. You have given an idea about our country, India. Now, candidate A, would you like to ask any question to candidate B?
Yes, sir. Sir, as you mentioned that some cultures, education and different things about the India, I would like to ask that, sir, why in history when we go back in the time we found that the education system of India was very popular in whole of the Asia and other countries?
As I already mentioned that India, in the ancient India, there is a brief history about it. In India, only soap, the first manufacturing of soap is also invented in India, and the famous health means in doctor also surgery was the first means produced in India only, and we can say that there is lots of things which only originated from the India. India is known as the grand means mother of the history and great grandmother of the traditions.
Okay, very good. Now, I would like to ask you a question, candidate A and candidate B. First, candidate A, I would like to ask you about the belief of Tilak.
Yes.
You told me that the people must be belief in Tilak, those also used on forehead. So why there is a custom of using Tilak on their forehead?
Sir, when we see come over to the Tilak, sir, there is two belief.
Yeah.
The one is we come with the scientific belief and one is the spiritual. And sir, when we come with the spiritual one, we found that sir, this is the when people, others are considering just to show off and just to show means to means increase the beauty we are using it, sir. But that's not the matter. We consider it as a means powder which is directly the blessing of the God. And when we come with the scientific matter, sir, we get that key with placing our forehead with index finger activate our whole of the nervous system. And sir, that means stabilize the concentration and sense of the human being.
Okay, very good. You told me about that topic about Tilak. But I would like to know that in our country, India, many Babas or many Sant are eyes, those also use Tilak. Many people are eyes, they also only for their passion. They use Tilak. So how can we believe, how can we identify those whether they are really also worshipping of God or devoting to God, they are worshipping or not. So how we can identify? But they are also making impact of all those people, those are sacred and those are unsacred. Remaining all those people. I am asking people, those are devoting their Tilak, they are devoting they are believing God like the sacred way, and those are not as. Those are several only for their show off. They are using. So how we can identify that who is whom believe in God by heart or whom not in them?
Sir, when we come up, means sir, to overcome these questions, sir, I would say if the person who is doing so off, sir, will somewhere have means that not sense of worship of the God from the eternal source. But when we come over to the sadhus and sons, as you mentioned, sir, they are the people who have sacrificed all of their luxury life, their family, their friends, relatives, and all those things just for to find out the way to that means sir, way to that God who is sir creator of this universe. Sir, their worship from the eternal soul is so very different from those people who are just doing so of farming, doing so to the other people. That means just representing as their beauty. Sir, we can find, sir, it's very hard to differentiate between who is for beauty and who is for the worshiping of the God. But when we will come up with their psychological facts, we will find that who is doing here the show off and the person who is which means whole worship towards the God and the creator of the universe.
I would like to answer this question.
Yeah.
By looking at this, we cannot decide that the any person is really in Baba or Sadhu. We cannot decide, but their inner soul only describe us that they are real or are fake. by looking we cannot decide their behavior or their personality. That shows us that they are the real inner soul or the free.
Okay, you asked that, but in modern era nowadays, it is too difficult to recognize or identify like such type of people. As many people are in our country, whether in foreign country, there are like crore followers of theirs, even they are corrupted. So in that case, we can't judge up those people, those whether they are secular or not.
Yes, sir.
So I am asking you a question about our country India. Before India got independent 1947. Before that, why India was called Golden World? Why it was called Golden World?
India is a very famous country. Means from the ancient history, I have already told you about that in India there is means in every places there is different stories and different culture that follows, and in everywhere there is a gold that found precious items were found there. So that's why from the foreign countries they visited there and they saw that they are very rich and means their precious items are there. So that's why they call the golden world.
Okay, very good. Now you have given very satisfactory answer to me. I am too glad to you that you have given ideas about your. So thank you for attending this.